Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we've got a news brief for you on a pretty stunning breakthrough where AI and hardcore science are colliding. Get this, an AI is now taking on one of the toughest human challenges out there, elite research-level mathematics.
All right, so here's the game plan. We're going to look at what the AI actually did, just how tough this challenge was, check out the scorecard, what it got right and what it got wrong, then dive into how it even managed this, and wrap up with the big one, what this all means for science.
Okay, first things first, let's jump right into the headline.
So, the huge news is that a brand new internal AI model has actually solved graduate-level math problems. And let's be super clear here, we're not talking about your high school algebra homework. No, this is the deep, abstract, creative thinking required to come up with brand new mathematical ideas. I mean, this is stuff that, until right now, was thought to be something only human experts could ever do.
All right, so to really wrap our heads around how big a deal this is, we got to look at the test itself. And trust me, this was no ordinary exam.
So just how hard was this thing? I mean, what was this AI actually up against? This is where it gets really, really interesting. It's called the First Proof Challenge. And the name says it all, right? It's not about just spitting out a number. It's about building an entire logical argument, a proof, from scratch. And that proof has to hold up to scrutiny from actual human experts.
And get this, these aren't just tricky problems. They were designed by some of the world's leading mathematicians. Some of these problems had been unsolved for years. The AI had to deal with fuzzy, ambiguous concepts and string together these long, creative arguments. To give you some perspective, solving this set of problems is like what an entire top math department at a university might accomplish in a full week of work. That's insane.
Okay, so let's get to the results. How did the AI actually do on this ridiculously hard test? Let's check the scoreboard.
So out of 10 problems total, the AI came back with 5 proofs that human experts are saying, look, very likely correct. That's a 50% hit rate on a test designed to break the brains of the smartest people on the planet. But it wasn't a flawless victory.
Yeah, one of its other solutions, well, the team thought it was right at first. But when the broader math community took a look, they found a flaw. And honestly, that's almost as interesting, right? It just goes to show how important it is to have that human expert review in the loop. It's still absolutely essential.
And the story's not over yet. A few of the other attempts are still being picked apart by mathematicians, so, that final score could definitely change.
So this is a really crucial point. How did the AI actually do it? Because it wasn't as simple as just hitting enter and getting a genius-level proof.
Well, it turns out this whole thing was a collaboration, a super fast-paced sprint between the AI and human experts. Here's how it worked. The AI would spit out an initial attempt at a proof. Then the humans would jump in, give it feedback, point it in the right direction, and the model would take that advice and make its argument better. It was a real back and forth.
And this quote from one of the researchers really nails it. He said it was pretty incredible to watch a model get tangibly smarter day by day. Just imagine that. He described watching it go from solving maybe 2 problems to solving at least 5 in just a matter of days. It was literally getting smarter right before their eyes.
Okay, so let's pull back for a second and look at the bigger picture. Because this one event, it's part of a much bigger and seriously fast-moving trend.
Yeah, this didn't just come out of nowhere. It's just the latest domino to fall in a whole series of them. I mean, think about it. Just in the past year or so, we've seen AI get gold medal scores in the Math Olympiad. We've seen it speed up research in physics and biology. It's even suggested new formulas in theoretical physics. There is a very, very clear pattern here. AI is getting better and better at helping us with cutting-edge science.
So, what's the big takeaway? We might be stepping into a whole new age of science, an age where AI isn't just a fancy calculator, but a genuine partner in discovery. And that leaves us with one massive, fascinating question to chew on as this technology just keeps getting faster and smarter.